Hello, this is Crowe. I'm here to do my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. I'm going to discuss several things today. First, I'm going to talk about quantum sleep affirmations. I started doing this when Aisa introduced this to us. And at first, I would put on the night video. I'm a night person, but I don't wake up well in the mornings. I have to set an alarm to get up. So I would put that one on. It lasted 7 hours. So when the alarm sounded the next morning, then I would cut it off. But she said do the one for night and one for morning. But I didn't know how to do the one for the morning because the only way I can get up is wait for the alarm to sound. Then I'm getting up. But after several weeks, now then, for about the last 5 days, I have started waking up at about 5 o'clock in the morning. And when I wake up about 5 o'clock in the morning, I will go ahead and put on the morning quantum sleep affirmations, and my alarm goes off at 6. That gives me another hour. So for about the last 5 days, I have been able to do both. To begin with, I just did the night. I slept until the alarm woke me up, and I said, I don't know how to do the morning one. But now I have started waking up about an hour before the alarm goes off, and I'll put on the morning affirmations. Another thing is, let's be promoting the bull NFTs that you have for sale on OpenSea. We're now up to about 44 Ethereum. We need to get up to about 75 before we get validated. And when we get validated, that'll make the sales go a lot better. We'll get a lot more money out of our bull NFTs. So make sure we continually, regularly keep posting your bulls that you have for sale. So that maybe people will buy those and raise that amount so we can get validated quicker. Another thing is, Aisa said, let's do, and since 60 minutes a day, doing an income producing activity. Now, this would include boosting other people's posts. When you're boosting other people's posts, that is income producing activities, because when you boost theirs, they're going to come back and boost yours. So that would be included in that 60-minute. The video you're doing is considered. Anything else you do, just studying doesn't count. Studying to learn to do something is not an income producing activity. You are get where you can do more, but then you actually, an income producing activity is where you actually do a blog post. You actually post one of the lead magnets on some of the social sites. You actually put up your video. Let's keep doing that. Let's don't get discouraged. Listen to what Ron and Aisa said. Ron said that it was over 40 days. He posted a video every day, and it was over 40 days before he made his first sale. Well, we're not even up to 30 yet. And it took him over 40, and y'all see how good he is now. So don't give up. Hang in there. Keep posting. Also, Aisa made a statement. She said it under Dr. VOJ Jr., that she did the 100-day video challenge 4 times. Can you imagine that? Doing a video a day for 100 days, she repeated that 4 times. Boy, that's not giving up, is it? So let's don't give up, everybody. Hang in there. Stay positive. We can do it too. So look at our leaders. Why have they been successful? They didn't give up. They hung in there. They kept doing things. So we're following their examples. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep doing income producing activities every day, putting our videos out there and doing other things so that one day we're going to be very successful. Hey, good to see everybody again. I'll see you in a later video.